Okay, these. Remember my soup video? Making soup from twin. Don't get those. Don't get this. I'm making twin a soup with leftover icing that I made. Oh, you gotta get some of these in here, and you know. Twin almost died from some of this, you know. Oh, twins. So, oh, twins, I love this. Get some pierogi. Actually, I won't mind an onion in there, just for flavor. Cooked onion. Twin really seemed to like this. I just. Twin shouldn't die from this, right? Oh, don't forget to water down icing. Oh, I can't leave when left out. Okay. Ooh, I get some of that nice frosting. What? Hold on, y'all. Okay. We gotta get the whole thing in here for twin. Way too slow, you know, man. Just like, let it go. You can't hold it here. Oh, it got in my camera a little. Yep. Okay, hold on, y'all. Okay. Twin shouldn't die from this, right? Look at how good that looks. Oh, wait, I seasoned it, so this, and it's all better.